What is up? Evelyn Harper with Forever Fit, and you are part of the Fit in 5 daily series where I post a workout every single day. It is inspired by my mom because she took my course a couple weeks ago and she has started working out consistently. So I am here to give her and you a workout to do every single day. We are doing our core today, and all you need is a box, a couch, a bed, something that will support you while you work your core. So we're going to start with these bear plank dips, where you're just dipping your knees down to the ground. This workout is for all levels, so you can make it as hard as you want by going as low as you want and as slow as you want. If that's too much, just keep it upright, and if that's too much, just hold it there. All right, keep going now. I come across a lot of clients who don't like to get on the ground while they do core work, so this is how it's done when you don't want to get down on the ground. You find any sort of object that will support you and you just make it work. Let's do 5 more. Keeping the shoulder blades pinched, I don't want you to push all the way up and I don't want you to completely sag. So they're pinched, your core is tight. 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. All right, now we are going on to one elbow. And if that's too much, then you're not going on one elbow. And you're just going to do weight shifts, dipping one hip down and you're coming back up. So if you want to make it a little harder, you'll go to one arm and you're dipping your hips and coming back up. I did a workout this morning, so I am a bit sore from that. So I feel these very quickly because I do these on the ground, which when your body's level, you carry more weight in your upper body. You'll carry more weight that falls on your core versus right now there's a little bit more weight dispersed amongst my legs supporting me. So let's do 2 more. 1 and 2. All right, let's go to the other side. I'm going to just flip this box down a bit so my back isn't to you. We've got the other side. Just dip in those hips. If that becomes too much, you can bend this top leg in front, squeezing at the top. Squeeze. The hard part can be the top where you squeeze everything on the side. You should feel this in your bottom oblique. If you start feeling this in your back, go ahead and rotate your hips a little bit more. Squeeze. This is the hardest version, or completely nix the box and do it on the ground. I don't think my mom is gonna like this workout very much. We'll see. She reports back. I got a phone call this morning where she was like, I don't know what music that was, but I don't think other people are gonna like it either. It's like it was some country or something whatnot. It's like, yeah, Mom, some people like country. And at the time that I was doing the video, apparently I did too. Which I do like country, but I think she had a point. And we're coming back to, again, this is monkey see, monkey do, so we're back to our bear plank dips. We're gonna add one more exercise there in the mix where you are crunching your upper body down to that leg. If this is too much, just gonna shift back to your feet and come up. Let's even ourselves out if you are down to do one leg and then the other. So let's do 5 more on this side and then we will be done here. And you'll be excited to do tomorrow's workout. Done. All right, that completes our core work for this Fit in 5 workout. See you tomorrow.